Okay, second semester in Algebra 1, we're starting Chapter 5-1, Exponents. Okay, in 3 to the 4th, 3 is called the base. And 4 is called the exponent. And what that means is you take the base and you multiply it to itself 4 times. So this 3 to the 4th means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, when we multiply 3 to the 2nd times 3 to the 3rd, if they have the same base, then you can just add the exponents. The long way is 3 to the 2nd, which is 3 times 3, times 3 to the 3rd, which is 3 times 3 times 3. And if we express that answer in exponents, it's 3 to the 5th power. As you can see, all we did was add the two exponents together, 2 plus 3, to get 5. That is a shortcut way of doing exponents when you're multiplying with the same base. Okay, now we have a to the 3rd b to the 2nd times a to the 4th b to the 5th. Using the short way of adding exponents when they have the same base, we're looking at the base of a, and there's 3, a to the 3rd and a to the 4th, so a to the 3rd times a to the 4th is a to the 7th. B to the 2nd times b to the 5th is b to the 7th. That's because there's 2 and 5, so 2 and 5 are 7. Alright, 5xy times 3x squared y. You're going to multiply the numbers. 5 times 3, that's 15. Then you're going to multiply x times x to the 2nd, that's x to the 3rd. And then you're going to multiply y times y, that's y to the 2nd. Okay, now we're going to be dividing with exponents. X to the 5th divided by x to the 3rd. If we write that out, that's x times x times x times x times x divided by x to the 3rd, which is x times x times x. Okay, this divides to 1, 1, 1, and we get left with x to the 2nd power. So the shortcut way is to subtract 5 minus 3, and that's how we get the 2. Okay, a to the 7th, b to the 6th divided by a to the 2nd, b to the 6th. Okay, we can subtract the exponents, so we get a 7 minus 2 is 5, and we get b 6 minus 6 is 0. Or, if we were to write this all out, the other way you could do this is a to the 5th, and the b6 cancels out. Well, it doesn't really cancel out, it equals 1. So either one of these answers is correct. Alright, 14x to the 3rd y divided by 2x. You divide the numbers. 14 divided by 2 is 7. X to the 3rd divided by x is x to the 2nd. You subtract the exponents. And the y is on the top. There's nothing to subtract on the bottom. So 7x squared y is the answer.